we did slicing on the old Move before, so I'm just going to do that here. So I'm going to create a new kit. So now it's asking me for my files. Let's zoom in again. And I'm in my other room folder here. So this is my own sample folder. So if I go into here, I've got all sorts of things. I've got film quotes, but I've got guitars here. Let's just take some raw guitar. Let's do that. Right. So these are raw recordings that are made on the Move, actually. Okay. So I'm going to select that. So now I've got that in kit 5 here. So now let's just do slicing up waveforms. This is different to the Move, but I really like it. So if I press Shift and waveform is over here. So this is showing me the entire waveform of that track. This is the in point, this is the out point. At the moment, the in point is at 0 milliseconds. And if I click here, the out point's at 43 seconds. So this is a 43-second long sample. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this end point this way. And you can see this is like jumping in quite big chunks because it's basically taking 47 seconds and split it up into 16. So let's come that round here. So I think we've got out at 12 seconds. So I'm just going to play it. If I hold this in, like zooming in on MIDI notes, we can zoom in on the sample. So you can see there the wave is getting right down at the bottom. So if I wind this all the way back, so now I'm going through the wave. So it's the start point we really need to sort out. So let's zoom right out now. So then we can see, so our start point is here. So if I select the start point, I'm going to zoom in. There we go. So we can see you got that silence at the beginning. There's that little noise. So let's just change the start point. Say there's my first sample. So you can see the in and out point there. So then if I click back, we've now got that in there. So I'm just going to have a little jam and just see. More level as ever. Okay, I quite like that. I mean, that sounds pretty cool to me.